Teachers, today I am going to talk few words about good manner. What is a good manner? Do you know? Good manners means the behavior of toward person toward people. Good manners leaves positive impression on others' confidence on self. We all must learn from childhood. Good manners should we learn from childhood. Yes or no?
Yes.
After growing we cannot learn. Yes? From childhood only we can learn the good manners. By our parents, by elders, at school. How you are growing like that you have to learn good manners. There are some words or examples. Words are there, good manners. Thank you, sorry, please, excuse me, taking permission. Yes? Thank you means what? Thank you ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Thank you ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? When we have to tell thank you? If somebody helps you, then we have to tell them thank you. Yes? When we have to tell sorry? When we have to tell sorry? If we make mistake, then we have to tell the sorry. Yes? If we want to go somewhere, then we have to ask the first permission. Teacher permission, or at home you want to go somewhere, you have to ask your parents. Without permission we should not go anywhere because it comes so hard for us. Good manners is very important in our life. Without good manners, other people will not give for us respect. Good manners ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ರಿ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಚ್ಛೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಳಿತು ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರ ಈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವ ನಾನು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ನಮಗೆ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಮ್ you are throwing bags everywhere and we are going to play. We should not do like that. That is not good manner. After going home, you should keep your bag on one place and should remove your uniforms and fresh up first. Then you have snacks. After that, you have to sit study. After going home, throwing your bags and going to play. These are not good manner. Yes? When you are eating, you should wash your hands. Come neat, uniform by school. Wear your shoes neatly. See how much dirty your shoes. Should wash. You should wash it. Take wet clothes and you have to rub it and daily. It's look nice and neatness. If we have good manner, from where we go, there we will get the respect from others. Yes or no? ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾತು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಮತ್ತ ಫಾಲೋ ದ ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು